Hey, to check daily calories burned on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3, first of all, you have to just go into this button and move into the activity war records. Now, when you just scroll down, you can find this information right here that from the move we actually burned 11 calories. But there's also another method. By going into the HUAWEI Health application, you have to go into the Health, and here we can find this information. When you click on it, you will actually open this calories burned for each day, month, or week. But also we can actually check this for specific workouts by going here. I can, for example, check the calories burned, for example, from this workout. So the information appears just right here. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.